Good morning. Today we are going to learn all about types of severe weather. So we're going to go through this slideshow together. All right. So we're going to explore what makes each type of severe weather unique. Okay. So we're going to talk about what is weather, regular versus severe weather, and then some types of severe weather too. So let's look at these two pictures and what make these two pictures or these two scenes different. So on picture A, we know that this is showing a rainy scene, right? So this could be what we consider regular rainy weather. And picture B shows a stormy scene. See the clouds with the lightning and see even the tornado off to the side, the little bit of wind happening. So this shows an example of severe weather. So at the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe weather, be able to tell the difference between regular and severe, and identify some different types of severe weather. Okay, so what is weather? It is what happens outside. It includes daily changes in sunlight, wind, snow, rain, or temperature. What's the difference? So, regular weather is outside conditions you experience daily. Severe weather can damage properties and result in the loss of human lives. So, let's look at a couple of examples and discuss what type of example it could be. Okay, so we have thunderstorm, blizzard, and flash flood. Okay, so if we look at picture one, we can see that this is a house and it looks like there might be some snow happening, right? See the snow in front of the house? So we know that that would be an example of a blizzard. Okay. Number two, we look at it and we know that there is a lady outside, but she's got a raincoat on. So it looks like it is raining, isn't it? So that would be a thunderstorm. See the storm cloud with the lightning in it? So that's a thunderstorm. And then we have picture three, which shows someone that is walking through a lot of water, right? So that's a flash flood. Okay. All right, so let's talk about types of severe weather. Okay. We have a tornado. It's a giant tube of air spinning violently. We have a cyclone. It's a circular storm containing strong winds and rains. Okay. We don't see cyclones here in Arkansas. Blizzards, a snowstorm with strong winds. We don't normally see blizzards either, though we will see snow. We do have snow. Thunderstorms, a storm with lightning and thunder. We do have a lot of thunderstorms here in Arkansas, so you will see those a lot. We have a flash flood, a quick flooding of low-lying land. Okay. You may have seen a flash flood or a street flood, something like that. Where I used to live, we had a street in that town that everybody knew to avoid if it came heavy, heavy rains one day because it would flood kind of like this, so we couldn't drive down it. We have heat waves as another type of severe weather. It's a period of extremely hot weather. Um, we do have more or less some heat waves where we do see a lot of hot weather at a specific time, but maybe not as much as, say, the desert would. Right. So let's keep this in mind, okay? Weather means it's the outside conditions that you experience every day. Severe weather is extreme and dangerous weather that can damage properties. And then types, if I ask you about the types of severe weather, that's going to be the different things like tornadoes, cyclones, blizzards, thunderstorms, flash floods, and heat waves. Okay? Um, so as a class, we're going to do this together as a whole group one day, and we're going to talk about what kind of severe weather happened the most last year. Okay, so this is a sample only. So they said that a flash flood happened 5 times. Cyclones happened twice. Thunderstorms were 9. Heat waves were 6. Blizzards were 3. And tornadoes were 2. Okay, and then this is a little pie chart about each of those. So we'll make our own little chart in class together. Okay, and we're going to talk about in the last year, and we're going to make a chart and see what happened maybe even in the last week because we have been getting some rain and things lately. So let's discuss it and see if that's a type of severe weather or if we wouldn't classify them as thunderstorms. We'll have to see. Okay. All right, so this is the end of my presentation on severe weather today. Okay, the types of severe weather. All right, thank you.